The first step is going to Query Manager, creating a new query, then manually looking up the class table. Remember that these are not case sensitive. So when you're looking up a record or a table, you can go ahead and type in any way that you want to, as long as you follow the appropriate syntax. Just a quick reminder here, the hyphenation is not allowed, right? So no matching values will be found. All of our records and tables in PeopleSoft, they will include the underscore mark, or most of them at least, whatever has kind of like a two-word naming convention. So here we are. This is the table that we want. So go ahead and add the record to our query. Takes a minute. PeopleSoft is rather slow at the moment, but that's okay. It's always good to show what happens when you're even, working in a production environment, as I am right here. You'll probably be doing this in TST or test, but I will not be saving anything of what I do. So the class table is here. We see that there are a total of 101 columns or fields. You can view up to 100 for each page, and then click on the next page or last to see what else is available. But in any case, let's go back to the first page, and we are going to select the following fields: subject area, term, and total enrollment. So it doesn't matter which order, really. Let's go ahead and select term. This is the term code, and then the subject area for the class and enrollment total right there. One more thing you should be doing is actually adding your criteria. So in this case, let's make sure that we're only pulling Duke University courses by setting with a constant the Duke U institution. Click OK. One more thing that we want to do is add a term. So I know the term codes kind of like, by heart. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 1870 for spring of 2024 right there. Okay, quick and simple. Our next step is actually to go ahead and select the aggregated function for the total enrollment. So how do you do this? You go to fields, right? So this is where we have selected to display 3 out of the 101 possible columns from class table. And to add a quick and easy function to find the average of enrollments by subject area, you only need to go to the edit button next to the field of total enrollment, and then really quickly select average. And here you can choose to change the heading as well to make it, more relevant. But, if you don't, it's okay, because it's going to be updated for you. And what that update looks like is that it just adds an average in front of your default field. So when I click run, what I see here is that I get all of the records for this term for all different subject areas. They happen to be sorted by subject. This is just something that's done automatically. And the average total enrollment across all subjects. So this is what you get. And we're going to test this out to see how well the average function is actually working and if it does what it's supposed to.